experts predict a surge in demand for ZiG. This move marks a pivotal step in Zimbabwe's economic journey, promising a new era of financial transactions and stability. Starting in June, a significant policy shift will come into effect. 50% of all quarterly payments due must be settled using ZiG. This decisive move underscores the government's commitment to propelling ZiG into the mainstream financial ecosystem. The stage is set for a fascinating period of adaptation and growth in Zimbabwe's economy. The introduction of ZiG and the 50% QPD policy will have a profound impact on businesses across Zimbabwe. Fuel stations, a vital part of the economy, will face unique challenges. They will need to adapt quickly to handle transactions in ZiG. This might involve upgrading systems, training staff, and ensuring seamless integration with existing payment infrastructure. The initial transition period may lead to some operational hiccups as businesses adjust. The broader economic implications of ZiG are far-reaching. A stable digital currency could attract foreign investment, boosting economic growth. Increased financial transparency, a hallmark of digital currencies, can help curb corruption and illicit financial flows. This, in turn, can strengthen Zimbabwe's international reputation and foster trust in its economic system. However, the success of ZiG hinges on several factors. Public acceptance is crucial. People need to embrace ZiG and feel confident using it for their daily transactions. The government must ensure accessibility to digital platforms and provide adequate education on using ZiG. Addressing any technical issues promptly and ensuring cybersecurity will be paramount in maintaining public trust.